Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, wherever you are in the world. This is your extended love reading for January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here. And thank you so much for giving the lots of love to my channel, for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's see what are the messages. I have already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that reading too. Okay, so today's message was that you have to let go of those Aquarius which don't serve your highest good. Okay, because there is something in on which you are holding back a lot. There is Four of Pentacle here, so you're holding back a lot tightly on those things which has already passed in your life, and you're manifesting something. You're manifesting stability in your life. That's very good, but you are more focusing on those cups which has been fallen out. With this energy you are manifesting, and this is not a good energy to manifest something. Okay, you are manifesting your manifestation. How can it come beautiful when you are not manifesting with beautiful energy? Okay, you are manifesting with this sad remorse, guilt, anxiety on those fallen things, on these fallen cups. Okay, you're more focusing on those things which has already happened in your past. So you have to release those things. If you need to release, forgive them, forgive yourself, and move in a forward direction. Okay, because beautiful things are coming towards you. Here I'm having 10 of cups here in bottom of the deck. Can you see there is a 10 of pentacles? So you just need to step in a forward direction, Aquarius. And something is shaking up your life. You are not accepting a cup from someone which has been offered to you. Here it is, the Four of Cups is here. Okay, there is someone around you who is trying to give you some kind of passionate new beginning. They are giving you emotions, cup, but you are not ready to accept a cup from them. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Here I'm having the Tower and the World card, both are here. Okay, so let's see what are the clarification, then I'm going to talk to you. So let's see why there is the Emperor. Please clarify me, Emperor. It just want to come out. There is a Justice, but I'm not going to take it. Queen of Wands. Okay, clarify me, Emperor. Death and Three of Wands again. Bottom of the deck I'm having the Chariot. Okay, Aquarius, you, death and rebirth is here. Then there is Queen of Wands and there is Three of Wands. Ending of old things. Transformation is taking place in your life, and you're waiting for that, for your ships to come. Can you see here? I'm having Three of Wands here again. So this is you. The Emperor is you. You are taking the charge of your life. You're taking the control of your life in your hands, and you're putting an end to the old things, and that's very good, because you need to put an end to the old things so that new things can come in your life. And in, you can have a look in your main reading too. I was having this Kundli Awakening card again for you today also, and I was having this Pratyahara card here, and Pratyahara means you have to let go of any attachments or anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, your Kundli is getting awakening, you are getting transformed. Okay, so you need to let go of past things and past hurts, past people which don't serve your highest good. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Wait. Okay. Please help me out to clarify why there is Queen of Cups. Nine of Wands, Three of Pentacles, Ace of Wands again. They want to give you passionate new beginning, but you are feeling like an hangman. You are feeling, you are in the energy of hang. You are unable to move in a forward direction. Can you see? And again the hermit is here. Hermit, you are doing your soul searching. There is a light here, there is a light here. You're doing your soul searching, you are doing your inner work. You are looking answers for you from within yourself. You are keeping your strength with you. You're keeping your strength with you, but they're providing you some kind of passionate new beginning. The Ace of Wands is here. They igniting your passion. There is here that they are igniting your passion, but you are very guarded here. Can you see? Maybe this is this person's energy. This is the Nine of Wands, and there is Ten of Wands here too. So maybe they were coming approaching you, and again I do, this is your general love reading, but this is more of what I can say. You are mirroring reading today. I'm getting again for you Nine of Wands and the Ten of Wands. So this person is also completing a cycle with you. Some of you Aquarius are in a twin flame journey with this person. This is your twin flame which is here. Okay, they want to create something beautiful with you. They're igniting your passion, but you are feeling like a hangman. You are unable to move in a forward direction. Okay, can you clarify me Six of Swords? High Priestess. High Priestess has come. You are using your intuitions, Aquarius, and that's very good. That's very good, because use your intuitions if you are not using it. But here I can see that you are using your intuitions, and by using your intuitions you are coming towards the calmer waters, and that's very good. Why there is Five of Cups? Clarify me Five of Cups. Okay. Okay. Two of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and Seven of Swords. See, again Two of Pentacles has come for you, Aquarius. You are juggling a lot to bring a balance, bring a stability, a balance in your life. We're trying so hard to bring a balance in your situation, in your life, in your relationship. You are holding back a lot. I told you this, Four of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. You're holding back yourself. Why you are holding back? And you're leaving a person or a situation or condition behind. Here it is the Five of Pentacles. And why are you leaving? Because there was lies, cheating, manipulation, deceptive energy was there, and that's good because you do not deserve this. Seven of Swords is here. So there was lies, cheating, manipulation which was going on with you. That's why you are holding back to with that person, and you are leaving that situation or a person behind. That's why you are very sad and remorse and guilt. Okay, you are more focusing on those things which are being already happened in the past. But Aquarius, let it go. Okay, let it go, because it has already happened. I know things were not good at all, because can you see here, there is a Seven of Swords here. This is lying, cheating, manipulation. It was there, but you need, and you have already overcome that situation. So you need to more focus on the forward direction, not focus on the past things. You do not have to focus on the past things. Okay, let's see what is Magician. What is Aquarius manifesting? What is Aquarius manifesting? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Swords again, and what I had, Tower, Ten of Wands. See again. So this is you. The Tower is happening for sure, but you're keeping your strength with you. There is Page of Cups, there is Three of Swords, and there is Queen of Pentacles. See, that's why I told you, I know this energy was not good in the past. There were things which was not good at all there. Your heart was broken very badly. Can you see how this girl is screaming a lot there? The heart is broken into the pieces, okay, by someone. But if you have not healed yet, so how can you manifest the things? You need to heal your past wounds, Aquarius. So you need to heal the past wounds. Because of these past wounds, you are carrying lots of burden on your shoulders. Can you see here? The Ten of Wands has here. But I know you're keeping your strength with you. You are grounding yourself. You're keeping your strength. You're grounding yourself. But you're carrying lots of burden because of that past things. Okay? That's why the Tower is happening here. The divine is intervening in your situation. Because you are manifesting things with this energy of Three of Swords and Ten of Wands. Now this is the completion. There is no 11. You're releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on. The message today I'm getting for you is you need healing, Aquarius. Do your healing, complete your healing. Okay? Why there is Tower? Why there is Tower? Too many cards. Okay. See again. Again it has come. Okay. Tower is happening because, let me tell you like this. Some kind of communication is coming towards you. Okay. There is Eight of Wands, Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Moon, Eight of Pentacles, Five of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. There was some toxicity which was attached to this relationship or attached to you. There is a devil here. I have got here. There is a communication which is coming for you. Maybe this person, the person who was trying to give you the cup, was approaching you in a manner. Maybe they were saying that I'm going to give you equal amount of give and take, and there is Four of Wands. This is your soulmate card here, and they were trying to give you beautiful things, but the devil is attached to here. There is some kind of toxicity which is attached to this person in your relationship or in this relationship. Why I'm saying that? Because there were some secrets which was hidden from you. There were some conflicts which was hidden from you, and now you are enjoying your singlehood. Nine of Pentacle and Eight of Pentacle is here again. You're working a lot on this person, on this relationship from long period of time. But there were always a conflicts which was happening around you. They were keeping tabs on you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Page of Swords here. Okay. So they were keeping a tabs on you. They were spying on you, what my Aquarius are up to. There were some secrets which was hidden from you. But you are still working so hard, putting lots of efforts, time, energy, love in this relationship, but you already only received this conflicts. Okay, but now you are enjoying your singlehood. You're saying that I do not want any kind of, that's why you're not accepting the cup. That's why you're not accepting the cup. You're saying that I do not want any toxicity in my life. I am single, abundant and enjoying my singlehood. I am better alone. That's why you're not accepting a cup from someone from the past. Why I said that the past, I do not know, but maybe this is not the new energy which is coming on you. Okay, why there is Four of Cups? Clarify me, Four of Cups. Why the Aquarius is not accepting it? Too many cards. Okay, the Four of Swords, the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Sun and the Emperor. Beautiful things were offering you, Aquarius, there, but you are doing your healing basically. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Cups and Six of Swords, King of Cups and Six of Cups. See, I told you that this is your twin flame. Why I told you this? Beautiful. First, I need to show you this. That's why I told you there is someone from your past. Just I said that there is someone from your past. Six of Cups and King of Cups. And here I was having Queen of Cups. That's the justice which is being served in their case. And there is Two of Cups. There is Six of Swords and Ten of Cups. You're coming towards the calmer waters. Beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. But right now you're doing your resting and rejuvenating yourself from the past things which has been happened with you. There is Three of Swords here and there is Four of Swords here. So you're resting and rejuvenating yourself. You're healing yourself, and that's very good. There is something in which either you are the wish fulfillment for them or they are the wish fulfillment for you, and they were trying to give you some Ace of Pentacles, some stable committed offer to you, Aquarius. And they're very fiery, very passionate here. They're full of passion, very fiery energy here. But Knight of Wands is also a red flag here. Okay, but here I am, what I can see here, that they were trying to give you beautiful things. The sun is here, the Emperor is here. Can you see how bright the sun is? They were trying to give you beautiful things, Aquarius, but you are not accepting the cup. Can you see? The Emperor is you. You are not accepting the cup. You're not accepting the cup. The cup is so beautiful. Can you see here? They're trying to give you the sun, the new beginning, the happy beginnings. That's why I was having the sun here too. From my oracle here, I was having the sun. Heal yourself, Aquarius. You need to heal yourself. Clarify me, Ten of Cups. The rushing towards you, Knight of Swords is here. The Hermit and the Chariot again. You will move in a forward direction. If you have not moved yet, you will move in a forward direction after doing some kind of soul searching. Hermit has come again. Okay, you will move in a forward direction. Do not worry. Okay. Clarify me. Clarify me the World card. King of Swords and Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Temperance. Clarify me the World card. Knight of Swords again here it is. Nine of Swords, Ace of Cups and King of Swords. So they were trying to give you emotional fulfillment, a cup which is full of emotions, but you are spending sleepless nights, Aquarius. You are not able to sleep at night. You are feeling you need to heal yourself. That's the message I'm getting again and again, and that's why there is a completion of a cycle. They were trying to give you some beautiful things here. Can you see? This is a Ace of Cups. Why there is Nine of Swords? Clarify me Nine of Swords. Hierophant has again come here, and can you see? I can tell you like this. Nine of Swords and Hierophant, Nine of Swords and the Hierophant. Okay. Seven of Cups, Hierophant, Hangman, Five of Wands and Two of Wands. Aquarius, there were a lot of choice which you need to choose. Maybe you are having lot of options to choose between, or they were having lots of options other than you. but there is an hierophant here. Either you are committed to this person or you are married to this person. And you're feeling like an hangman. Why you are feeling like an hangman? But because there is a lot of dramas, fighting, conflicts around this person, and you need to make a decision for your life. Here it is the Two of Wands. You need to make a decision. You are at the crossroads and you need to make a decision for yourself. Clarify me, Temperance. Clarify, Temperance. Seven of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and King of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Star, the Four of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the World, and the Empress, and the Knight of Swords. Beautiful. See, this is you. You're not accepting a cup. Or can you see this? How beautiful this cup is. This is so colorful, but you are hoping on a star. This is you. The star belongs to Aquarius, but you are not ready to accept a cup. There is a Wheel of Fortune which is moving in your favor, Aquarius. There is a World card. Again, you're completing a cycle. This Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you. And this is the Empress, your divine counterpart. Gender is not specific here, but this is your partner. This is your partner. This is not you. They're rushing towards you. Can you see? But you are not in a mood to accept a cup from them. You're not accepting a cup. Accept the cup. Do your healing. Okay, the Temperance has been clarified by Seven of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and King of Cups. You're coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius, for sure. And this person is keeping their temperance with them. Again, here I'm having the Seven of Pentacles and the Temperance. They're keeping their temperance. They have put the efforts in the relationship. They have put the plants, the seeds here. And even this can be you also, but you're coming towards a calmer waters, that is for sure. Let me see one thing. I'm getting the message for you that you need to heal yourself. You need to heal yourself. Do your healing, Aquarius. If you have not done yet, I know you are already doing your healing, but you need to heal yourself more. Okay. What is the advice for the Aquarius? Two of Cups. I just cut it out. Open your heart chakra, open to receive, Aquarius, so that you can receive. Again, the King of Cups was fallen out. Okay. Let me see. What is the advice for my Aquarius? Please give me advice for the Aquarius. What is the advice? The Tower. The Tower is happening for you. That's the judgment which is being happening by the divine, by the universe. Please give me the advice for the Aquarius. Because you are hanged in a situation, a lot of you, Aquarius. The Tower is happening. The unexpected changes are happening. This is the divine intervention. This is when the divine is intervening in your situation. And this is the good. Tower is not bad. This is good because sometimes what... See, bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Pentacles. What I told you, this is the good Tower. This is not the bad Tower, because this is something which you need to do, because you were long period of time you were in a hermit mode, and that situation is going to end here. The Death card is here now. You were doing a lot of soul searching and all, and you were feeling like an hangman. Okay, you were hanged in a situation. 2424 was the recording reading time, and that's the judgment which is being made by the divine. Okay, you were not moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You were stuck in a situation. You were more focusing on those things which has been already happened in your past. You were feeling like an hangman. That's why this Tower is happening for you. See, 3 of Swords and 10 of Wands. You are carrying a lot of burdens on your shoulders. 4 of Pentacles and Queen of Cups is here. Because of this energy, you are feeling like an hangman. There were past hurts. I know your heart was broken several times. That's why you are carrying lots of burden on your shoulders. There is 4 of Pentacles and there is Queen of Cups. Can you give me any other advice for Aquarius? Five of Wands, Princess of Cups. See, I know there were some conflicts around you in the past. There were things which was not good at all. That's why your defenses were very high. Your guards were very high. You were not ready to open up yourself. But you need to open up, Aquarius. You need to open up. Any other advice? See, that's why. Again, the 7 of Swords has come. The same cards are coming again and again. I know there were some lies, cheating, manipulation were there in the past. There were things, they put you either in a third party situation. They broke your heart several times. That's why you're carrying lots of burden. There were some conflicts which was there around you. Okay, there were some conflicts which was there around you. There were a lot of burden which you were carrying on your shoulder. That's why divine has to intervene in your situation. 2626 was the recording reading time. Okay, that's why the situation, now the divine is intervening in your situation, because that's the judgment which they are making for you, that you have to move in a forward direction. You can't be like an hangman for a long period of time. Any other advice for Aquarius? Beautiful. I was having King of Swords here and I was having Queen of Swords here. Queen of Swords is your divine counterpart, or this is you. This is the divine counterpart. 6 of Cups and 4 of Wands. There is someone from your past who is your divine counterpart. Can you see here? This is your twin flame, your soulmate. The 4 of Wands is here and 6 of Cups. Someone from the past. That's why I told you in the reading. They're coming towards you, Aquarius. You are having beautiful things. Can you see? There are 2 cups here, which is here. And there are 4 cups up in the air. But there are 2 cups which are here. And there is a sun here at the back in the picture, which is the same cup. This cup is not empty. There is a cup which is filled. So this is your divine counterpart which is entering in your situation, in your life. See, it just want to come out. The Fool. You have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Let's see what are any guidance from the angels. See, reconsider the offer which has been offered to you. It's up to you. That was the thing I was seeing right now. Any advice for the Aquarius? Any men? Communicate clearly is there, bottom of the deck. There is perfect timing and there is compromise. Can you see there is a balance which is here? You need to compromise your old things, Aquarius. That means the past things which do not serve you at all. Okay, compromise those things basically. Okay, in order to create a happy outcome for the situation, you will find it necessary to compromise. Allow your some time to become clear about what is truly important to you. Also take a note of matters where would you be open to changing your position. Work towards an agreement where everyone wins. Be open to cooperation that would allow you to get what you need while assisting others in fulfilling their desires. Be objective about finding a balance between respecting everyone else's viewpoints and still be true to your own. Okay, so you need to keep a balance in your situation. You are juggling a lot, Aquarius, because there was two of pentacle from my both deck. That's why I told you. And this is here, the perfect timing is here. You need to let go of those things which don't serve your highest good. Get out of that energy as soon as possible. That's the message for you. This is the perfect timing for the situation you have asked for. Move forward with confidence. Don't delay, don't hesitate, because an energy gateway is presently open for you. Okay, if you don't feel prepared, rest assured that you are. That's the message for you. And can you see there is a recovery here? Recovery, and there is opportunity which is coming for you. So you need to get out of your Five of Cups energy. Let go. Let go of those things which don't serve your highest good, Aquarius. Let go of those thoughts. Okay, everything is happening for your betterment. Okay, beautiful things are coming for you. You just need to balance yourself, balance your both side. This is the period of recovery and healing for you. The challenging emotions that you have been dealing with will fade away with time. Although it may be difficult to see now, but there is a joyful future which is awaiting for you. But now take all the time you need to regain your strength. This card can also mean that your recovery is nearly finished or already complete. Send words of gratitude to heaven and begin planning for your next exciting life. Okay, so this is a recovery card here. So you need to, some of you Aquarius, you need to heal yourself. Today's message is heal yourself again and again. That's what I am having here today. Let's add one card from the Crystal Oracle, Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see. Thank you so much, Angels Answers, for giving the answer to my Aquarius. Okay. While doing your reading, I also feel like an hang. Yesterday also, while doing your reading, I was feeling like an hang, and today also I was like little bit hang, not exactly hang, but I was stuck for 2-3 minutes. See, the words are not coming out of my mouth today also, but you have to be more focused in a forward direction, Aquarius. Focus on the forward direction. So let's see what are the messages. There are two cards here, the Moonstone and the Emerald. Okay, this is the new deck, so I don't know the meaning of all those cards, so I need to read it out. This is the card of intuition, insight, inner wisdom, and inner voice. Okay, these are the messages from this. You're getting more intuitive than before. There are insights, there is inner wisdom, and use your inner voice. Listen to your inner voice. That's the message here this crystal wants to say to you. You need to more focus on your inner voice. Your inner voice is telling you something. See, Emerald. This is giving and receiving love, opening your heart to friendship, embrace unity. Beautiful message. Open to receive. You need to open to receive. That's the message. Beautiful messages from this Crystal Spirits. Thank you so much, Crystal Spirits, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your extended love reading for January 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of healing, light and love to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.